Mama.
Hello, Daddy. Hello. Good morning. 11 o'clock na. 11:07. And guess where we are? We are in Roy's Factory, Chocolate Factory, Willy Wonka. So, ang ganda oh, meron pang pa-rose garden. Ang sarap dito magstay kung hapon. Though hindi kami aabot ng hapon dito. So, today is our last full day here in Hokkaido. And our itinerary for today is etong Roy's Chocolate Factory. So, we will make our own chocolates. And then, after this, we will be going back to the city or Sapporo to do yung mga other or to visit other places na hindi pa namin na-visit. I think it's the old municipal hall and the clock tower. So those are the only two places na hindi pa namin na-bisita. But here we are. We are in the Roy's Factory. So it's very sunny. That's the entrance. Summer. There's Cacao Chocolate Town. A big place. There's so much Roy's chocolates here. We'll see if it's cheaper here. Probably not. Otherwise. Second anniversary. And look at this. Of course, this is not real cake. Cute. Ayan o. Puro Roy's chocolates. Sa mga mahilig sa chocolates dyan. Kaway-kaway. Sabi, sobrang sarap daw ng lasa ng chocolates dito pag bagong gawa. So, we will know. Washroom daw, sabi ni MJ. Ang ingay naman. At syempre, ang linis dito. Ang KKKs. Ito yung typical Japanese toilet na bubungad sa inyo even pagpasok pa ng airport. Linis, diba? Kahit saan. Kahit saang CR. Meron ding medyo hindi ganun kalinis. Pero sa standard natin, malinis na yun. Eto, super clean talaga. Pati waiting area nila. Courting Roy's Chocolate Bar. Oh, they have every kind of chocolates here. The price is 1,215. Yeah, believe me, this is worth every penny. This is really good chocolate. Yep. So later we'll see what we can get from here. I don't know though if we can buy the one that would spoil easily, because there are some chocolates that need to be inside with the ice. So we need to get that from the airport. So there. Yan. So kakao yan ah. You may be wondering ano yung malaking gold. Yeah. So we just entered. So ang gagawin lang is pakita yung QR code if you book online. Pwede rin bumili ng ticket from here, pero since may schedule, prefer to buy online. I think you wow. So there, parang nasa plantation ka ng cacao. So that those are cacao trees. Oh, you can hear birds. Nice. Si Gimbal, oh. May sarili na naman siyang gustong puntahan. mga cacao, fruits. Yan, no? Diba? Paano malalaman pag hinog na? Parang yellow-yellow na. Yung red-reddish. Ang galing. So, cacao is a fruit shaped like rugby balls. The fruits are called cacao pods and grow not only on branches but also directly from the trunks. At Roy's Cacao Farm, each one is about 600 to 650 grams on the harvest.
This is our kind of tour. This is kind of private tour.
Wala masyado kasi Monday, no?
Wala tayong kasama.
Pala, so there are 6 steps daw sa pag how would I say this, create ng cacao or the chocolate. Dun sa planting, that's the one, and then harvesting, and then they open the pod, so pod opening, and the 4th step is fermenting. So ayan, pinaperment pala, ganyan yung itsura ng pagpa-ferment. Okay, so the activity of microbes that live in the air and the wooden boxes encourages fermentation. At Roy's Cacao Farm, from the 3rd day after adding beans, the fermenters are stirred once every 24 hours to incorporate air and promote microbial activity. So, yan. Okay, it's actually drying na. So, step 5, after fermentation, the cacao beans are spread out on outdoor drying decks to be dried under the sun. So at Roy's, the Cacao Farm, the cacao beans are dried for several days until they reach a moisture content of 7% or less. To ensure equal exposure to the sun, the cacao beans are periodically mixed and evened out to the drying decks, moved on slides, and in case of rain, they can be moved under roofs. So MJ is trying to sabi dito, let's move daw. Let's move the drying deck under the roof. Push the cacao switch to start. It starts raining. So tinatry niyang i-pull. Pull the bar. Okay, once it stops raining, pull the drying deck out.
MJ, the chocolate factory worker.
Step 6, drying and shipping na. After drying the cacao, bagging pala and shipping. That's step 6, bagging and shipping. After drying, the cacao beans are weighed, then transferred into jute bags for storage. After each bag weighs daw about 70 kilograms at Roy's Cacao Farm. Once transported from the farm, the beans are inspected for quality and shipped to Japan. So their farm, definitely, kasi may banana kanina dun as shade trees. Probably somewhere in Latin America. Why not in the Philippines? You have... So I wish Roy's will have their farm in our country too.
These are the 6 steps pala.
Okay. Ito pala yung summary. Farm to bar. Planting, the first step. Second step is harvesting. And then third step, you open the pod or pod opening. And then you fermenting. After that is drying. And then bagging na. And shipping to Japan to make Roy chocolates. Okay. Oh, their cacao farm is in Colombia. Yeah, so their farm is in Colombia. Opened in 2014. The location is about an hour from Bogota Airport to Pereira Airport. Then, about 90 minutes drive from the airport. About 1,000 meter the elevation. So, yeah. So, that's how. Kailan lang din pala? 2012, not too long ago. Kaya mo yan, 70 kilograms lang yan.
It can be lifted by 2 adults. You can do that.
Okay. Nice try. Nice try. What are you going to do? Informative. If you buy the white chocolate, it only contains 50 cacao beans. And if you get the milk chocolate bar, has 70 beans. And then if you get the block, already around 100 cacao beans. 62%. So, cacao percentage. The other one is 45%. And the other is 39%. What is the probability of becoming a cacao pad among many blossoms? Ang sagot.
It's already a cacao powder.
What's the probability? Around 1%. At Roy's Cacao Farm, about 300 blossoms, about 40 pods. So, yan. Lahat yan flower, pero only around 1% daw yung nagiging pods. Okay.
It's producing cocoa beans.
Countries in West Africa. So, which country is
this is
producing cacao beans a lot? Countries in West Africa, Central and South America, and Southeast Asia. So, lots of cacao. So, this is the Welcome to Roy's Chocolate Factory. Explore, learn, and experience the process of bean to bar chocolates. Now, ready na mag-manufacture ng chocolate. Toshiba Days. Ito yung uniform ng mga factory worker here in the Roy's Chocolate Factory. Daddy. So, clean room because we're entering the clean room. So, no single dust. How about you, MJ? Go. Tayo naman. It's an important step. Pag nasa factory ka, kailangan talaga yan. So, this is the entrance of the observation deck. Ano yun? We're back to the steps again. So, 7th step is loading. So, now the cacao beans are taken out from the jute bag and fed into the hopper and is sent to a sorting machine on the other side of the wall. That's how it looks like. Look like. So, farm to bar. Receiving and loading. Sorting. Sterilizing. Roasting. Winnowing. And grinding. So, ito yung mga steps. Hanggang 12. Jute bag ng cacao. So, dumping station. Lalabas yung beans.
It fell out there. I hear something. The dumping station cacao.
Sterilize. Step 9. Debacterialization. Sure. Roasting. So, roaster temperature roasts the beans with hot air and brings out its aroma and flavor. The temperature of hot air is approximately 120 to 140 centigrade. Wow! Mga pipes. No. Try to roast. Come on. Naka-flash na. During the winnowing and grinding.
This is inside the pan.
This is how it feels like inside the tank. So you're being mixed now. Oh, you hear the echo?
This is what it is.
So that's cocoa butter, cocoa mass, cocoa butter. Ito yung mga ingredients na nilalagay nila.
Oh, yeah.
Cocoa butter, milk powder, and then sugar. Oo. Sino naka-invento ng pag... Sino?
Paano putin?
Si Lind, diba?
Paano putin yung una? And then silid lang na make it smoother.
By so many steps. 15. Final refining, conching. Ang dami. Daming steps, no? To make chocolates.
Yeah, go.
The button ingredients are carried in a mixer to the pipe underneath.
Oh, just pretend. Oh, there. Oh, that color. Oh, nagka-color. And the other one. Oh, nice. Ano yan? Blood. Ah. Minamasa na. Okay.
Okay.
Final ref.
Tara. Let's see through the...
The actual, launching. Nakikita nyo? Okay. Ito. Ayan. So, ayan, conching machine. So, yeah, go. Follow the arrow. So, machine to mix powdery chocolate paste by rotating blades and make it smooth, named after conch as the shape was similar to it when it was invented. Ah. Okay. Okay, don't step on the glass. Base chocolate is finished. It is transported to Royce Town factory and finally the rice chocolate is produced. Roy sources fine ingredients from all over the world. So, there are some chocolates na meron palang Okay, so meron talaga, 'di ba? May Roy's chocolate tayo nabili na may alak, 'di ba? Right, Dad?
If it's temporary,
Pag nakakita ng factory, naalala niya yung kanyang factory days sa Fujitsu. So, ayan. Ako din sa Toshiba. Pero hindi naman ako sa factory talaga madalas.
QA naman siya. QA naman.
Okay, so macadamia. So, yun yung mga nuts. Parang hindi pa ako bumili ng, ano to?
pistachio.
Pistachio?
I think this is the trim part. Ano na sila yan, di ba? Trim part.
Oh, we will get that later. Ito yung gusto ni Kuya, oh. Okay. Wow! Look at this! It's parang chocolate factory. MJ, I want to have a picture there. All white. Ganda.
Very nice.
Okay. So after that short clip.
Baba. Yes.
So another process, bitter white milk. So may tempering. Talo ko 600 lang, game pala yun. So I failed. Nama chocolate, hollow chocolate, ayan, potato chip chocolate, pure chocolate. Nanalo si MJ?
Whatever.
Did you win? Rank.
Wow,
Hey!
good job.
Higher.
Press. Just follow the arrow. Let's see.
The other one's funner. That one. The one that you tried. Very good.
Perfect. Perfect. Nice. Oh, so good. Not just a good job, but still, well, perfect. Time up. Wow, you're. Oh.
It's a new one.
Bad. I had a higher score. That's fantastic.
But still can I Okay. Time is up. Mommy's rank B, MJ's rank A. And the winner is Baba.
Mix daw. Flat. Cut. Yun daw yung mix. Game. Ganun daw. Gaya mo. Oh, mix.
Okay.
Give me. So one time. Thank you for visiting Roy's Chocolate Factory. The Roy's chocolate journey begins here. Roy's from the very beginning. But may Nestle. Oh, Meiji, it's not. These are different packaging of different chocolates, not just Roy's. From all over the world. Maybe. Oo. Ang galing. That's a good collection, no? So, whoever invented or whoever created Roy's, the owner must have loved chocolate so much. Nice. It's a good collection. Diba? Naman nilagyan niya pa nandito. 1985. Wow, talagang kinolect niya, no? It's really a good. Kunyari, nagpakolek ka ng wrapper ng mga chocolates. All over the world. So, we're now here in the museum. So, that's nothing to do with chocolates. Okay. Pictures. Ah, this is nice. Diba? Very nice. Picture. Ang galing, ah. Kala mo TV na. Mr. Prince. Print. Painting. Nice. These are all wooden bears. Carvings. Ang cute. May mga baby sila. Don't hurt the animals. They're also living things. Just like us. They also deserve to live. Chocolate factory. Workshop. Creating our own chocolates.
Ate, baliktad kayo ng chocolate ni Mami.
Huh?
Baliktad kayo ng chocolate.
No, that's mine.
Okay, okay. Tada!
Well, like a few because.
Oh, that's the design.
I got write my name. It's so hard for it to come out this time.
Gusto mo pa?
Just so that it's pretty.
Okay.
You can leave your ticket for the plate. Do not leave the ticket for
Anything will go through here.
And this is MJ's. MJ I don't like. Can we get it now?
Yeah.
Chocolate's there.
Apa ya? Chocolate there. Doon lang. Wait until it stops.
Can't get it?
Wait until it stops.
Get it na.
Ito na.
First step,
You choose which one.
you open up the holder box. Ano sa'yo yung color?
There are 3 boxes. That's one. And that's the other one. I think that's nice.
I need to put star. Okay?
String muna.
String is here. Is that? Oh, nice. So, the full chocolate pala talaga. Harap.
Push it back, bye-bye. Ah, there's Amy's. There's Amy's.
Balik na natin. Actually, I like milk. Oo nga pala, mix yung sa akin. Ba't pares lang kami ni MJ? So, di ba sabi ko mix?
Oo, nakalagay ito eh.
Oo.
I think it's because you ordered the same thing twice, but then you didn't click on it to put it in the ticket. So then you just said order, and then it was 2, but then you deleted the other one.
Oo. It's 1:10 p.m. and we're able to complete our tour here in Roy's Factory as well as yung chocolate making experience. So if you want to come here, the fee for the entrance to the chocolate factory is 1,200 plus separate yung chocolate making. You can purchase the ticket here at 1,700. Kasama na yung chocolate na gagawin mo as souvenir. Okay? So we're going to exit na. And then, nice. Chocolates to choose from. Prices are just almost the same as the one you get in pero marami siyang variety. Yung mga parehas nung sa yung nabibili sa we're done. Okay, quick photo rito sa Roy's Town Cacao and Chocolate. Yan, so we need to catch the 140. We need to walk na. We need to catch the 140. Sayang oh. Sarap sana dito mag-chill. Mag-chill-chill. Oh, windy here. We're in inside the rose garden. May pa rose garden pa si Royce, no? So, nag-enjoy ka na sa factory. Mag-enjoy ka pa sa mga roses just outside the factory.
That's a cool one.
Yeah. See that? It's a good photo, spot, but we need to rush. Okay, picture kita.
Dad's gonna take a picture.
Okay, kayong dalawa, picture mo kayo.
My hair's a mess, so let's just ignore that.
Ayan. Teka. So, bye-bye, Royce. That's the bus. Bye-bye. So, mag-bus na kami. Dito ba? Okay. Sabog-sabog. Ayan, tapos na ang adventure namin sa Royce Factory. And we're going back to the station, trying to catch the 150-ish na train. It's on 140, so there's a free shuttle from the factory going to the station, JR station. And ayun, maganda. Lalo na kung may kids kayo, for sure mag-enjoy. Hindi lang pang bata, actually ako nag-enjoy eh. May ligaw sa mga ganun-ganun. Okay? So, if you happen to visit Hokkaido, don't miss, add this in your itinerary. This is worth a visit. Okay? See you later.
现在咱们小时可不是我不跟他玩不高兴。But for photos, I like this one. I took so many.
Hello. So we are here now. I am here in the lounge of the hotel. Bumaba kanina nandito na si RC and MJ, pero gusto ko nila MJ iPad niya. Okay, so nandito kami sa lounge. Nandito ako sa lounge ngayon. So nag-chill lang after yung gala namin today. So nag-chocolate factory na kami. And then after nun, mall. Actually, nag-lunch kami sa Pudo, brunch, super late lunch and breakfast. And ito yung view namin dito sa lounge. Ngayon na kami nakapunta, 6 nights na kami, 7 nights actually. Ayan, so 25th floor. So, very nice view. Ayan, sa harapan ko. Mamaya maganda na yan pag nakailaw na lahat. So, okay. So, yan yung maganda dito. Makaka-chillax ka din. Okay, so today is our last full day here in Sapporo, and tomorrow ng 6 p.m. pa yung balik namin sa Philippines or sa Manila. Basically, tomorrow meron pa rin kaming whole day. Alis siguro kami dito mga 2 or 3 p.m. papuntang Chitose Airport. So, we have the entire morning. Siguro mag-check out kami ng saktong 10 o'clock, and then we'll have a lunch. We'll have lunch somewhere. And that's it. Iwanan lang namin yung luggage namin saglit here. And then we'll be back to we'll head back to Chitose Airport for our flight ng 6 p.m. So it was such a very wonderful experience here in Hokkaido. So para sa akin, this is worth seeing. This city is worth seeing. I like it because it's more relaxing, fewer people, and katulad kanina dun sa Roy's Chocolate Factory. Halos walang tao, konti lang. Kami lang. So, I highly recommend na pumunta rin kayo doon kapag napasyal kayo dito. Especially if you have kids. And even without kids, adults can really enjoy the different activities. The museum, for adult, it will cost you 1,200. And for children, that's 12 and below, I think. The charge is only 300 yen. So if you want to be part or to make your own chocolate bar, they also have that activity, but you have to pay additional 1,700. So each paying adult or child can be accompanied by an adult, by one person. So if you have like someone with you, pwede naman na ayaw gumawa ng chocolate, siya lang yung taga-picture or taga-video. So you can capture yung mga activities na gagawin inside dun sa gawaan while we're doing making your chocolate. So I think it was a very rewarding 1 week. Masaya, madaming pwedeng gawin. So far, nagawa naman namin lahat ng activities na gusto namin, na naisip namin gawin here. Though sa food, feeling ko bukas magsusushi pa ako or baka mamayang gabi. Kasi yun yung hindi masyado naming nagawa. Given na may kasama kami si MJ, very picky sa pagkain. Just like what I expected it's going to be. Yun nga. So, we have considerations as well. Though kagabi, nakapag sushi kami, take out na lang para makakain din si MJ ng something else. Okay? So, I'll end my vlog here for today's video or today's vlog. And I'm not sure if makagawa pa ako ng pauwi na mga shots or mapag-shoot pa ako tomorrow. If not, then see you again sa next trip. I don't know where, but pag-iisipan pa namin yun. Okay? So, thank you all for watching today's video. Hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo dun sa panonood ng gala natin kanina sa Chocolate Factory ng Roy's. And see you all again next time. God bless. Bye-bye.